Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by pausing the update flow and preparing a rollback. Open Settings, go straight to Windows Update, and click Pause Updates for 7 days so new downloads stop. Make a restore point now and save any open documents. This prevents data loss when services restart. Also disconnect unnecessary USB drives and ensure you have admin credentials ready. Once done, you'll be ready to stop the updating services themselves without risking corruption of system files. You now halt the core processes. Open Services, MSC, and locate WooServe and Bits. Right-click and stop each service, then set Startup Type to Manual so they don't restart automatically. Next, open Task Manager, find as vchost. EXE hosting those services and end the associated process if it's actively installing. This frees file locks. If updates still proceed, disable your network adapter briefly to break download or install connections. Make sure to keep services open. Finish by clearing temporary update files and verifying the stop is effective. With services stopped, rename C/Windows/software distribution to software distribution. Old to remove queued files, do not delete until you're sure. Restart the PC and confirm WooServe and Bits remain stopped or manual. If updates still misbehave, boot into safe mode, run DISM and SFC to repair image and system files, then restore service settings. If you must resume updates later, set startup types back to automatic and unpause updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.